Hi everyone, Jennifer here. We were gifted this doggy car seat, and as you can see, it's a really big hit. We're very thankful to the brand that gifted us this. This awesome memory foam car seat is perfect for dogs or cats up to 35 pounds. First, it has two deep side pockets, which are super handy for storing travel essentials like a leash, blanket, or even toys. What I love most is that this seat sits a bit higher so my small dog can see out the window during car rides. Plus, the cover is removable and machine washable, which is great for keeping it clean. I also love that it has the headrest belt, so I can install this in both the front seat or the back seat. It even comes with this little mat, which I think is so great, plus a really soft plush blanket that gives it extra coziness. My littlest dog loves lounging in it even when we're not in the car. To install this seat is very simple. It just takes a couple of minutes to make sure all the straps are tight and secure. Another feature that I really appreciate is that the dog seat belt is able to extend, giving your pup a little bit more space if necessary. If you travel often or just want your furry friend to be more comfortable during car rides, this is a must-have. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.